So hey everybody, it's the Modern Native. This is Native. And yeah. Winter camping is finally actually winter. Fucking snow, man. First week of January, and this is the first time we get snow. Like this anyway. So it's about fucking time, man. Gotta say that. But now everything's beautiful. The slates are clean. That's what winter is to me. It's the white out, wash out, wiping the slate clean. Next year can be something new. It doesn't feel like a new year. It doesn't feel like it transitions until I get to have the snow. You always know when I turn it on. Monster's playing in the snow. Mrs. Native's packing up my bag. Demon just finished his breakfast. But we survived. My shelter was adequate. We stayed warm. It's these ruts. That's the hardest part. Well, the sled stayed safe. But I knew I should have came back down and taken that tent down. Fuck. Tent pole broke. See what I mean? One wrong decision. Don't have the money to replace that. It's not going to work without it. So now this tent is basically trash until I can replace it. So it's going to be dead weight. Or I got to sacrifice it. Fuck me, man. See, snow is almost a resource. Actually, it is a resource because you can get water from it. You can insulate. You can build shelters. Also, you can use it as a weight on the edge of your tarp. As a temporary hold in between trips. If you're doing something along the lines of what I'm doing. There you go. Now she'll be secure while I'm doing trips and when I have to go down to town. Back and forth all the time. Alright, everybody, stay tuned. Show everybody your jacket. Show them the zipper.
Oh, that is broke?
Yeah. Yeah. She can't, every time she tries to get it to start zipping, it just rips right open, just like the tent door was. So yeah.
Here, I'll show you again.
Jesus. So yeah, and that's her best jacket right now. At least the lighter inner warm jacket. She has a winter jacket right there, the camo one.
I don't really have any long sleeve like that. And the ones I have, I try to keep for bed.
And so these boots, they're the ones that got the split through the side of it, right?
Yep, they're awful. They got splits on both sides.
They're at least high enough for the snow, so.
Yeah, they're just snow boots. I can't. I need snow boots. It's too high.
So she's gonna be working on firewood. I gotta go to town. So yeah, not everything survived, and everything's falling apart. So yeah, but I gotta go down to town to shovel a driveway and charge up our portables. And then when I come back, I have to finish moving camp. Alrighty, long night ahead of me, but we survived the storm. Not all of our stuff did, but it's because I was in the middle of moving, and this terrain, this distance, and with all the stuff that we had, and the dog sled failures, it's taken me a long time to move. I had a lot more stuff because I was expecting easier transport, and Now hopefully it will be after I get it straightened out. But that's a test for tonight when I get back. And yeah. Following my trail out. When everything's covered in snow, it looks different. Almost just busted my ass, by the way. So right now, my biggest concern is getting hit by a plow on my way down, because I don't have much of a shoulder to dive off to, and I'm sure it's just a snowbank. So I will catch you guys later, but I think that's going to be wrapping this up unless something happens in the next little bit. Who knows? But for now, until next time, get out there, be a native, go beast.